Okay, so hello people of Earth. Shut up! Hello people of Earth. Sorry about that. That's pretty now. Okay,
stick a dick in your ass.
Okay, so one, I do not wear mascara. I am dead serious. You see that? No mascara, even though it looks like I do.
And you can stick that dick up your ass with your own.
Shut up, this is going on my channel. Shut up!
No!
Shade fuck. Hey, you wanna play some dice? You know? Play some dice? No, but
yeah,
seriously.
we're playing dice. See you later, work that. That's what Summer did to me. She grabbed my arm.
Stop it. Okay, so I have some facts here that you actually don't know. Okay, one, I'm not gay. All bronies are not gay. There are some who are, and that has developed a stereotype. You can't be like, oh yeah, pink ponies. Oh, I like dicks. No, that doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. Okay? Shut up.
Hey, Tori.
Oh God, I thought that was for me. Okay. Two.
We're bronies. We're loud and proud about it. Number one. And number two, we're not gay. We both like hoes and beaches and vaginas.
Restart.